Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you how to add products in your WooCommerce site, where you can easily able to add a description and title of the product, where you can select a number of stocks you have, and then you can set up the pricing and everything. I am going to cover each and every detail about how to add a product in your WooCommerce store. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become a part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you. So now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here you have to go to the WooCommerce. Here in this WooCommerce home we are getting add my product. So here just click on it, and here you are getting like if you want start with a template you can, or if you want to add manually you can add manually. Also if you want to import any CSV file, you can also import it any CSV file, or import from another service, then also you can do. So here if you will go use a template to add physical or digital products and variable products, it will be like it will start the template with physical product or anything. I am just showing you how to add manually your product. So here just click on it, and these are like here you have to enter your product name, then here you have to enter your product description, then here choose product type, virtual products, and then downloadable products or prices, everything. Here you can just dismiss. I am going to explain you everything what are the things over here. So starting from here in this here you can add a product name over here. So let's type any product name. So now here you can see that it is asking for a product name. So let's give it a demo product, and this one will be the name of your product. Then here you can add description for your product, whatever the product is about. And here you can see that if you want to add some of this text as bold, italic, and then bullet points, you can add it. So let's add some of this demo content over here. So what I'm going to do, let me paste some demo content, and then here if you want to add some bullet points over here, just you can add it over here like a bullet point. Suppose these points, if I want to make it bullet point, you can easily able to add these as a bullet point. Then if you want to bold some text, you can bold it. If you want to make it italic, you can italic. And then here also you can select whether center aligned or left aligned or right aligned you want to keep. You can change it over here. Then if you want to add a link to it, suppose if I want to add a link to it, just select this and then click on this insert link, and you can add whatever link you want to add. Let me like google.com if I want to add. Then if someone will click on it, then this one will be linked to google.com. Then moving to the next, here on the right side, let us discuss what we are getting on the right side. So here on the right side you are getting this product category, where you can create like fashion or men's, different categories over here. After that, here it is asking for this product tags, where you can like give girls, then here you can give it top, whatever the related to product, what are the tags you can add, you can add the tags over here. Then it is asking for the product image. So let's upload a image. Here you can see I have uploaded the image, then I will select this set product image. So we have done this basic setup on the right side. Now moving to this one, here this is the product data. So whether we are creating this sample product or group product or external affiliate product or variable product, so everything is different. So let's, for this video we are going to see what is a sample product. So here you can see this is the simple product over here. So first of all, in the simple product option we are getting an option like whether we are creating this virtual or this downloadable. So first let's check with the virtual product. So here it is asking for the price to it. So let me give it 100 rupees. Then whatever the sale regular price is 100, and then you can set the sale price as 80, and you can schedule this like from which date to which date this sale price will be. This is an amazing feature. Then we have our inventory. Here it is asking us for the SKU code. So here you can see SKU full form is stock keeping unit, and where you can add a different code for here like product 001, and this one is the stock code, where you can also using this you can track your stocks. Then here enable stock management at product level, you can tick mark on it, and how many quantity you have you can set it over here. Suppose I have a 50 quantity of this product, I have set it as 50. And then allow back orders, you can set it as don't allow, then allow but notify customer that we are out of stock, or you can simply set it as allow. Then we have this low stock threshold. What does it mean? Suppose if you will set this low stock threshold as 5, then whenever your stock comes to 5, you are going to get a notification about it, like your stock is going to empty it or anything. Then sold individually, if you will enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order, then no one can place more than one item of this product. So make sure you have not tick mark on this, so that if someone wants to buy this product 2 or 3 units, then they can also buy it. Then here linked product, here you can set a upsell or cross sell, but currently we don't have any product, so we cannot link it. Then let's move to the attribute. So this is the custom product attribute, where you can create different attribute over here. Suppose here I just want to create a attribute of color, and I just want to give it a color red, and then red, black and blue. Let's give it, and let's save the attribute over here. So here these are the attributes which I have given. Then you can go to this attribute option over here. So here you can set different attributes. Then we have this advanced over here, where you can set up purchase note, and then menu over here. Then if you want to enable reviews for it, you can tick mark on it, or you can untick of it. Then we have this get more option, so it is not required. Now let's publish it. So here we have another short description section, where we can add some short description over to this product. Let's add it like this, and let's publish the page. So with this we have created a basic simple product over here, and you can see this is the simple product page. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.